Okay, so I'm gonna move you to the back of the bus here. Okay, now let's turn this thing around so we can see what the hell is going on. Wonderful. Okay, this is not a charging one either. This is actually you have to plug this into a USB. So yeah, luckily there's two of them on here. Otherwise, I have to get a USB hub for multiple things. So what we have here now, I'm gonna take you from this angle over to this angle. It's just so much easier to change you than to change the bike. Okay, yeah. Okay, great. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're dropping stuff. Stuff's getting dropped. Yep. Yes. Okay. All right. I think we got nylon ties over here. We got cutters. We got stuff. We got all kinds of stuff we need. So, I'm gonna install the camera first. Okay. Yep. Make sure you're all looking into this angle here. So, looks like we got multiple areas. Put it here. Put it on the opposite side. Put it on the down part, or put it across bar. So we have all kinds of options to put the camera. Okay, this is actually the twisting knob, and this is the bolt that tightens everything. And of course, I overdid it, and it came apart, but whatever. That's what that is. Oops. So this is actually some rubber that comes with it to help tighten whichever the best part that you want. I'm thinking the bottom is the opposite side. We'll find out when we put the monitor on, and we can move the camera how we want it, but I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to be. So we can put it, there's fenders here, so don't have to worry about that. And we could just put it right there, right next to the fender. What do you think? And then put the little rubber thing in here. Okay. So we put this rubber thing in here to help grip it some more. Then we don't have to turn it down all the way. Use it a little bit more grip. And then we can adjust this how we want it. I think if we have it too close to that, we're going to get a lot of vibration. But if we move it away, we're going to get vibration anyway. This bike does not have suspension, so not to worry about that problem. Yeah, okay. I think what we're going to do is do this from this side. Now, we got a big bar, and I don't think we can reach it. Cannot reach it with the extra rubber. So what we're going to have to do is take off the rubber. That's not going to help us close the gap. There we go. So we got stuff there. I'm going to put the screw knob so we can access it rather than on the inside, on the outside. Push this through. Okay. Pushing that through and start screwing this in. Now it goes all the way through, so no big deal. You can always over tighten it, and it won't bottom out, as if some screws have an end. This will go all the way through, so you can tighten it as much as you need. We just didn't have enough for the bolt. We're putting in that rubber take-up product. So this one all the way through, and we'll have our camera set up. It's starting to ground, I feel it now, because the screw is twisting it in my thumb pressure. So, yes.
The TV in the back is blocking the door.
Well, I think this is too big for that. Well, not having much luck here looking for my drivers that I need to successfully install this. I guess they're on the other side. Excuse me. Full man fight. Okay. So what we have here. Okay. Turn this, hold the screw in the back and turn this to a cracked. Really? Stupid. Is this not Phillips? What the hell did they do here? It's a freaking neck. Well, you could have told me that months ago. I had a neck driver, you dumb fuckers. Ah, damn it. Well, wonderful. I just use forceps. Okay, so then we have this cable here. Can I move it over here more? Well, I think what we're going to have to do is put it here. Trying to figure out the right spot for this. No. Let's go. Do it. Not getting in there. So it needs to tighten up here. Now I know why they have it this in the back, because it interferes with the camera. Screwing it. So we all should put it in this way. Really? Okay, we got half a choice here. Huh. I have no idea. It's weird. Weird setup. I don't know. Maybe it's for buffering. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. I tossed it. And I don't know. What? Whatever. So. So, yeah. I'm not sure what those things are for. I don't read directions. Just follow my instinct. I'm lazy that way. If I find that there's too much movement, maybe I might use those. If I can find it. I'll throw it down before the hell it goes. Right now I'm having issues getting this to grab. It's pushed in a moment. Trying to twist this in a normal manner, and it's just not having any of it. There we go. Let's make sure our hands can do the job that they're meant to do, and then we can get this thing done in a proper manner. Okay. Oh God, it's tight. It ain't going nowhere. Okay. This has to go in more and tighten up. Okay, let's bring this out and about. Okay, now we can tighten it up from here. Leave that thing on the bottom there. Okay. Yeah, it ain't moving. So this is not going to either. We're going to tighten that up. Okay, now. We have this. Okay, more camera. Cable. Well, they really gave you a long cable. Of course, mine's a scooter. They don't take that much, but, you know, they didn't know how long the bike was going to be, so there you go. They'll probably go in here. We're going to put some stuff here to wrap it, and then, yeah. Okay, so we got the cable up. Now let's get the camera going. So the monitor, per se. Okay, my USB, and we got a strap for this thing. Huh. I'm not sure how this thing goes on there with the USB. I'm not sure how this thing goes on. It's got to have another fork to it. Interesting. Big old clamp. They don't want this thing falling off. Big old clamp. Look at that thing. That's huge. See, are we still videotaping? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna bring this over here to the top half of the bike. Get closer to you. So, junk in it. Ugh. So what this thing does is, it has this knob here you can open up, and then you slide the knob in there, and then you tighten it up. You see that? You tighten it up, another knob, you loosen it up, and then you can extract the ball. Okay? So we're going to put the ball on first, and we'll put the camera down in it. Hook it up and see what goes. Oh. Okay, come on, stupid thing. Come on now. Okay. The same thing, it has the knob here, and it loosens it up. Looks like it already has. See, I don't know why they didn't put grips on that. What? It's just stupid. Stupid. So we're going to close this up. Okay, so pretty much on there. You can move how you want it. Okay. So, I'm not sure what's up or down for the monitor. We're going to have to just plug it in and find out. That's one thing too. You can always turn the monitor upside down, or the camera upside down, to where you want it to work. Cable here. Because of USB-C, it's a struggle on finding what's going where. Okay, we'll plug this in here. So, got that going out. Turn this thing on yet. Oh, here are the buttons in the back here. Plus, minus, that must be on or off. There we go. So this is the right set on. It is rechargeable. It has a battery charging. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, like so. I think I'm going to move this over some. It's not infringing on our speedometer. Okay. Looks like they have a strap too. Interesting. Okay, so we're charging that up. Popping this in. Pop this. Yep. Pop this in. Tighten it up. So you can see it. It's perfect angle. Tighten this up. That's a perfect angle. That's pretty in there. So then we hook it up to our. We got it hooked up to our camera. No, we don't. We got to hook this as direct connect. So it's over on this side over here. Maybe we should have swapped it, because then the cables would be out of the way. Oh well, whatever. That's something that we can do later. Let's put the camera in. How are we looking? Are we upside down? Kind of sideways, really? That's upside down. This is right side up. Okay? Yeah. And then that's actually looking down. I'm going to tighten this up some. I'm going to bring tools with me, just in case I need them. Yeah. It's a maiden voyage, so you don't know. So we got everything here. Looks like we're viewing out where we want to view, like that center. Yeah, that's good. Okay. You see that? Let's see if we can make it get closer to it. Yeah, the monitor's right there. I don't think you can see anything on the monitor. It looks, from my angle, it doesn't look it looks all washed out. But we got the speedometer and the monitor on, and the monitor's charging through our halo. So there we go. We got it successfully installed. And we're going to go on a run and see how that looks. Okay, let's get out of the way. Stages. I'm going to sit down on this dumb thing. Oh, God. Let's check out, see how we're looking now. When everything, you know, looking good. This is not actually right. So I want to tilt it so I can see it more. That is pretty much tight. But this is, I can adjust this how I want it. And right now, it's good how I want it. And so is my speedometer. That's all there. So over here, I'm going to unplug this. Oh, okay. So the charger, the charger is not that long. So we're not going to do anything about that. Maybe wrap it around a couple of times until here. Oh, so the thing's on. It's just charging. So the thing does, well, it makes sense. It does come on and it's charging. So, yeah, the camera's good. But what I gotta tighten up is the cable for the camera to the monitor. That's a bit ugly. So what we can do, just wrap it around this quickie. Wrap it around. Okay, so yeah, we're going to wrap it around, leave it like that. So, yeah. Maybe they brought us some stuff, but Jesus Christ, dude, I just sweat this brush too. It's filthy. Fucking filthy. Let's get this thing open here. Okay, open this up. Open this up here. Jolly, 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 yeah, okay, good, okay, good. Okay. And it's calling, everything will be able to tell. Yeah, that's not. Installation is not for the show. Okay. Okay. So, okay, this was not supposed to go in there. God damn. Oh. Okay. This was not supposed to. Okay, so you got that here. Yeah, I think we'll do actually cartons. We'll do that. So get down. Cut this. cut this here. I'm gonna take some of this over here. No, no, not watching. You're being dumb. Yeah. So over here, I mean, you didn't watch any of that. Okay. So what I did, stupid thing, I cut some of this, put some of this spiral wrap on here with the camera and partial of the charging cable. Charging cable, actually, this is rechargeable in the monitor, so it's charging up right now and also working. And this has to run with power, the speedometer. It's not rechargeable. So then we are going over here now and sexing it up over here. Can you see down here? Break over here. So this is our camera here. So we got some cable over here that we're going to sexy up, if you will. And we're just unfolding the spiral wrap and wrapping it around the bar here. And just a couple of wraps, that's all we're going to be doing. And we'll just leave it free, so in case we need to redo it. One more wrap. I think we'll bring it up here. Keep it secured. Do it. Okay. Yeah. So there you go. We got the camera, cable, got the monitor, it's charging, it's working, we got our speedometer. So we got it all going on here. So, I'm going to shut you off and we'll start again.